We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making our banana muffins with chocolate chips.
So there's one thing to remember with this recipe. You want to use ripe bananas. And by ripe bananas, I mean we're looking for lots of
specks all
black
over there.
speckles. Yeah. Maybe not the best banana to eat, but it's the absolute best banana to bake with.
And why do you do that? It adds sweetness and flavor to the muffin, which makes it just better all around.
So much tastier, smells better, just everything.
So let's go make them.
Before we make the batter, we need melted butter, so get that going first. Now on to the dry ingredients. We use all-purpose flour. Don't forget, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is in the recipe on Inspired Taste. We also need brown sugar for sweetness and moisture. Both baking soda and baking powder to help them rise, and a bit of salt. To the bananas. Remember, for the best tasting muffins, we're looking for speckled, ripe bananas. Just mash them into a chunky paste with a fork.
In goes 1 egg and the melted butter from earlier. For a little more flavor, add some vanilla. It's time to make the batter. Use a fork to gently stir the dry and wet ingredients together. Next, add some chocolate chips. These are mini chips, but any kind of chocolate works. Then get your muffin cups ready and divide the batter between them. We find a large cookie scoop makes this really easy. As the muffins bake, they rise, brown, and smell incredible.
And that's it. Simple, flavorful banana muffins with chocolate chips. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.